Why Chinese people always sound suspicious? Or sometimes they sound like even aggressive. Does Chinese people enjoy fighting or questioning? Of course not. I can explain it from a linguistic perspective. Listen to this 5 words. 银行、明年、流行、学习、篮球 all rising tones. How do you feel? Does that sound like a questioning? But there are 26% of these rising tones in Chinese language. Imagine any language have 26%. This sounds like suspicious. Right? And I'll give you something more. Listen to this. 饭店、爱好、汉字、电话 All these words are false tone, the falling down tones in Chinese. Guess, what's the percentage of these falling down tones in Chinese? 1 second, you guess it. It's 32%, even higher than the rising tones. So that's why sometimes if you didn't learn the language, you feel it sounds aggressive. So these facts actually telling you how important Chinese tones are. And if you master these tones well, I can guarantee you Chinese language actually is beautiful, musical, and romantic. Okay, last word. 再见. 再见.